Is Microsoft DirectX crashing because of the DirectMusic Interactive Engine DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. For professional-grade DirectMusic Interactive Engine maintenance, follow the diagnostic link in the description. This is the DirectMusic Interactive Engine, the DirectMusic Interactive MIDI Engine library. It manages the adaptive music playback for legacy titles like Half-Life or Quake. Missing Dmime.dll is a primary cause of sound system failed to initialize in early 2000s games. Users usually need to install the DirectX end-user runtime, June 2010, to restore it. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. Since DirectMusic Interactive Engine DLL is often tied to 3D rendering, the standard fix is to refresh your graphics runtime. Install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore legacy DirectX components, then perform a clean GPU driver update to address any OpenCL or CUDA conflicts. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your applications directory. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the DirectMusic Interactive Engine file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. To fix persistent errors with integrated libraries, you must ensure a clean file sync, and you should use a dedicated uninstaller to remove the host program along with its registry keys. Following this with a fresh installation of your software components ensures that the DLL file is properly mapped for the host program to run. Why are we doing this? Well, residual registry entries can point the software to the wrong file path, and a complete removal ensures that the new installation is correctly indexed by the operating system. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Protect your workstation by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for DirectMusic Interactive Engine DLL, as most free repositories prioritize ad revenue over file safety, often leading to the installation of obsolete or harmful software. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. The optimization resource linked in the description provides background information on synchronizing DirectMusic Interactive Engine. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve DirectMusic Interactive Engine dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.